Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick one today about a cool app I saw on the Play Store. It's called Droid ID. So this lets you unlock your Mac with your Android phone. So the problem with having a Hackintosh is you've got no form of biometric authentication. You have to enter your password like normal every single time you log on. And it's not the worst thing in the world, but it's a bit of a pain sometimes, especially when you get used to something like a MacBook Pro that has Touch ID, which makes it obviously much easier to log in. So the app is available for free on the Play Store, and the companion Mac app is available on the developer's website. So I'm just going to run you through the install process here. So the name of the app is Droid ID, like I said, and sadly the last update was over 2 years ago now, but it does still work. Not sure if there's any more plans to update it further, but yeah, that's it for now. So when you open the app, you get greeted with this code that you need to enter into the Mac app. And there's a link here to install the app. So this is the website. And it shows the benefits. You can unlock your Mac in a secure and convenient way. And it works on anything with Android 5 and above and Mac OS 10.11. Can't remember what version that is, but it's quite old, so you can use it on a lot of Macs. So I'm just going to download the utility here. Okay, so just going to extract it and drag it across to my applications folder. Okay, so now the app is installed. When you open it up, you're greeted with a little security warning, was fine. And then you just enter the same code that you saw in the Android app, and then you enter your Mac's password. So there's a little thing here, it says to unlock your Mac, Droid ID requires your password. And then it says not to worry that it's secured in keychain. So that's fine for me. And that's it, the setup's done. So it does say that it's going to restart, and the first time you use it, it's going to ask for some permissions. So let's try it out. Okay, so I've locked my Mac. And the first time, you need to try it first and then enter your password like normal so that you get the permission screen to open. So here we go, so it wants to control system events, so again that's fine. And you've got one more thing to give it permission for, which is the accessibility setting. So that's done, and now it should work. So you can see I've got my phone on here on the left. We're back to the lock screen, so I'm going to open the Droid ID app, scan my fingerprint, and there you go. Very, very quick. Very fast and very convenient. So the other thing you can do, you can set a persistent notification. So you can see here now I get a little thing in my notification drawer that says unlock. Press this to unlock your Mac. And let's try that again. So it's locked, and then I'm going to swipe down on the notification tray. There's my notification. Click that, and you get straight to the unlock menu, and there you go, in. So it's a very simple app. There's not that much to it, but it does the job and it works really well. So I don't know if there's any more plans for updates, like I said earlier, but everything works great like you expect here. And it's quite nice because I don't know of an equivalent iPhone app. I know you can do something similar if you have an Apple Watch, but again, that rules out all Android users. So it's a pretty great app, and it's completely free as well. So let me know if you give it a go and your experience with it. And if there's anything similar that you know of, let me know about that in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.